Hey, welcome back. It's Abby from Chic Peach, and today we're going to be decorating with my family for Christmas. So stick around because we're going to be decorating and decluttering all at the same time. It is time to declutter some of our Christmas stuff. We still have a pretty big box filled with things that we're not going to use, and I want to just take a minute to go through here and tell you about what they are, why we are not using them anymore, and what we plan to do with them. So first up, these are our original stockings. Before we had a baby, we just had 3 for Abbie, Jarrett, and Molly. Walmart is where we got these. When he was born, they had already discontinued this. They were selling these for several years, so I just didn't expect them to discontinue it. And not knowing what we were gonna have for kids or what we were gonna name them, it made no sense for us to buy stockings for the future when we had no idea what was gonna come. I'm torn on whether to get rid of these or not because I just don't see them ever making these stockings again. And if they do, great. Maybe we won't even want these anymore. So I'm torn on these, but when our son was born, I still wanted to have matching coordinated stockings. It's just what I like. So I went and found new ones and had them custom made with our names on them. And it seemed like a really great idea. They were all right. I mean, there's mine, but here's the problem. Here's Molly's, super off-centered. Not acceptable. And they just flat out misspelled my husband's name. So I was really irritated. These were really cheaply made. They were not what I was hoping for. So I ended up complaining and, not trying to be ridiculous about it, but I wanted what we paid for. I wanted things to be done correctly. So they did send replacements. Here's Jarrett's. Still very off-centered, spelled right, but looked horrible to me. And they gave us Oliver's, which I thought Oliver's was fine, but here's 5 stockings that we are never, ever, ever going to use. I did get refunded for them, I think, so they ended up being free, but still, they are a waste of space, so they are going in this box. I know they're personalized, but you know what? You can still turn them the other way and use them. Now, when those did not work, I went to Hobby Lobby and found new ones. I thought these were really cute. I still think they're cute, but they're too bright. We used them for 2 years and they were fine, but they just did not really go with our style. They actually are a little bit too narrow, so a few of the things that we bought as stocking stuffers did not actually fit in the stockings, so it was kind of pointless. I did end up buying some extras of these because I wanted to make sure that we would have enough. So I have 5 total of these right now, which was plenty. By the end of last season, I was pretty overwhelmed. I was very overstimulated. We had a 1-year-old running around. I was still kind of dealing with a little bit of postpartum anxiety. It was a lot better than it was earlier in the year, but it was still kind of lingering. A lot of toys around, and there was just so much crap in the house mixed with all of our normal stuff plus our Christmas decorations. And normally I'm really sad to take down all the Christmas decor, but last year I was happy to. I was waiting for the day that it was time to take all of the decorations down, and that's not normal. So this year I made sure that whatever decorations we were putting up was calming and made sense for our house. these don't make sense for our house, so they don't need to stay. I bought a brand new tree skirt. This was our old one, and I actually really like this tree skirt. There are some sequins on it. It's cute, but the new one that I got matches our stockings, and I love it so much more. I wouldn't mind holding on to this one because we have another Christmas tree downstairs that we just don't have set up right now. So if we do set up that Christmas tree, it would be nice to have a tree skirt to go with it. I'm getting rid of a lot already, so I'm already 10 steps ahead of where I was. But I'm gonna hang on to this one just because if we want to switch up a style a little bit next year, then I at least have this and I won't regret getting rid of it. And you know what? By next year, if I decide that I'm ready to let go, then I can do that then. For right now, I'm happy keeping a hold of it just a little longer. Our extra tree skirt and the 3 stockings that we do want to save. My husband made a really great point that if Walmart does bring these back and we can get more for the kids that we have at that time, we have a fireplace downstairs and we can decorate downstairs with the stockings here and then still have our primary stockings up here in our main living room. So as long as it fits in this one tiny box, then I'm happy to hold on to these for just a little while longer. I'm still getting rid of a bunch. Now, here is a little bit of decor. This was from Jared's little sister. She picked it out years ago when she was really little. And we've put it up for a long time, but you know, it just didn't really go with our decor. It hasn't really in the last couple of years. So it's not really sentimental to us. There are a lot of other things that she has gotten for us over the years that we really love and appreciate. But you know, this is just a piece of Christmas decor that we're not very tied to emotionally. So I don't mind letting go of it and having somebody else appreciate these now. And they are really cute. It's just the word believe in each piece is its own, so you can decorate it however you want. So we got these for like $1 when we really needed Christmas decor and we didn't have much at all. So these have been floating around for a while. I think we're done. I think we're done with these. Okay, these are bows that we have put up in the past on our tree. You just place them individually around the tree, and I've always thought that they were really cute, but I don't know, we've had them for a long time. They're not my favorite anymore, and if you know me, then you know I love bows. I even have a tattoo of a bow behind my shoulder. So, I don't know, I feel like we're kind of just growing out of these, and if we decide to do bows again later, we can get nicer ones. These were just cheapies that we bought from Walmart, which, no shade to Walmart. I love a lot of the stuff that we've gotten from there. These are from Walmart, and I prefer stockings from Walmart these days. It's time we pass these on to someone else. I just took a quick trip downstairs. Here's the other Santa hat that we don't need. And this is a little penguin. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Doesn't really go with our decorating style. I've debated getting rid of it for the last couple years, so it's time. And now we have a full diaper box. I think that's it. All the rest of our decor is pretty much up, or we have a valid reason for holding on to it. Something that I always struggle with every single year. When we have all of our Christmas decorations up, what do I do with all of my regular stuff? If you struggle with that like I have, here is what I have learned to do. A lot of our Christmas boxes are now near empty or have a lot more room in them. So what I can do is just put all of my regular decorations in our storage containers for Christmas. And then when it's time to take down our Christmas decorations, we swap it right back out. Hey Molly, wanna say hi? Hello. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those notifications by clicking the bell. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season, and make sure to check back with me for the very next video, or just stop on by my channel if you want to watch some more. So I think that's all for now, but I will see you guys next time. See you later.